So over here you can see that I have a video and this is in a 16:9 aspect ratio. If you want to go ahead and change the aspect ratio of the video project that you're working with, then what you can do is you can go around under ratio right here, and over here you can see that there's different ratios that you can choose from. For example, you can choose 1:1 right here, and this becomes a square ratio, as you can see, just like this. So now once you do that, you can go around and readjust out your video clips as you like right here. So let's say, for example, this is what you have, and you can change this around, drag this around, and now you have a square ratio, as you can see. Similarly, you can go around and get back to 16:9 as well and readjust out everything out, as you can see right here. Or you can go to 4:3 right here, just like this, and since square ratio is close to this, you can see that there's not much difference over here, and the video is cropped out just like that. You can go around over here and select 19:16 as well to get the vertical look right here, 3:4 or 5:8 right here, and choose the aspect ratio as you like over here just by clicking on this. Or you can go to original right here, which is 16:9. You can also go around onto customize right here, and then you can see that you get the customization settings right here, but that is not related to the aspect ratio entirely. But over here you can see under the resolution and ratio, you can go around and adjust it out according to how you like. So over here, this is the ratio, so you can go around and change it out, and you can also go around onto resolution for that particular ratio and then adjust the resolution out. So I can say something like 19 not 1920 by 12 1280 by 720, let's say, for example, to have 720 p resolution right here. So that is how you can go around and change around the video aspect ratio inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe